Hey guys, I got a new jet. This isn't it. I'm making a video on it right now, but I was only able to maiden it just today because the wind and the weather and the rain have just been pretty bad lately. So it's not going to be out tomorrow. In the meantime, I do have a video of a little visitor I had in the shop here a couple days ago. So I'm going to try to put that together tonight and have that come out tomorrow. It's going to be a little shorter video, but well, I don't know what kind of bird it is, but if you do, can you let me know? I think I found it online, but I don't know for sure. So let me know what you think it is. Drop it in the comments. If this is your first time visiting the channel, a like really helps me. Subscribe is awesome if you like this kind of content. Go back and look at some of my videos. I do RC plane repair, maidens, remaidens, builds, and I also have some woodworking stuff a couple years ago, and I probably am going to start doing some more of that pretty soon here when the weather turns and it's going to be harder to get out and fly. Here's the video with my little visitor. If you know what it is, let me know. I'm really curious. Gotta go that way, buddy. No. That way. Over there. Over there. There you go. Nope. Oh, nice. Pooping on my TV. Come on. I can't even open that for you, pal. Let me get the plane out of your way, maybe, huh? Okay. Can you get out now? You're not going to be able to get through there, buddy. Here, get on the stick. Oh, on the stick. Get on the stick. Perfect. There you go.